channel, and today's video is about cleaning. My quick cleaning tip is to get a handheld vacuum. These things are super handy. But seriously, we have a big vacuum and I have to drag it all the way up here. It's super annoying, and I still have to do it 3 or 4 times a week, but it's way better than having to do it every day. With the handheld vacuum, if I give Gerwin a toy, she'll destroy it and stuff will go everywhere. But it means I can clean up really quick. It also means if I have friends coming over, I don't have a huge mess. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, comment down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.